So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now you want to click on system on the left hand side. And then click on notifications. Make sure you have notifications turned on. And make sure you have do not disturb turned off. You want to scroll down and then click on set priority notifications. Make sure that all of this is correct for you and then scroll down. And if you have any notifications that you want to receive from some applications, you want to make sure that's in this list. If you don't see it, you want to click on add apps and then you want to add it. And now you want to click on notifications again and then scroll down. If you see any applications right here, you want to turn them on if you want notifications to be received from it. And now you want to scroll down and click on additional settings. And if you want any of this to be on as well, you want to turn it on. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. And then make sure you have set time automatically turned on. Scroll down and then click on sync now. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now once you complete all these steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.